Hello everyone, welcome back. So today from Abu Dhabi to Sydney, the most awaited layover, and it's going to be so beautiful over here. Just wait and watch. Guys, as we did had our breakfast, so हम अभी कुछ खाने के लिए आ गए हैं. काफ़ी भूख लगी थी, सुबह भी हो गई है और it's almost 12 over here. This is my famous guy. We are all set to go now. चलते हैं Sydney Opera House. The weather is too cold, too windy. Don't forget to carry your jackets. So guys, at last हम पहुंच गए हैं सिडनी ओपेरा हाउस. अगर आप लोग प्लान कर रहे हैं सिडनी आने का तो यू कैन नॉट मिस दिस. इट इज़ अ जेम ऑफ ऑस्ट्रेलिया. It's so beautiful that you cannot miss this part. And this is Carnival, the biggest cruise. See this beautiful. आपको पता है the architecture was inspired by the orange peel. How can someone miss this masterpiece? और guys, हम इस हार्बर ब्रिज को कैसे भूल सकते हैं? The most famous Hollywood bridge. I'm sure आप लोगों को ओपेरा हाउस तो बहुत पसंद आएगा. Just wait, we gonna step to the another location. It's the Darling Harbour. We may catch the cruise from here, the ferry, and directly to the Darling Harbour. So we're gonna take tickets from Wharf 5. Wharf 5 से we're gonna get down at Paramount Bay through the cruise. फिर वहाँ से we're gonna go a little walking, and it's gonna be almost 15 to 20 minutes of walking. So guys, यहाँ पर आपको टिकट्स बाई करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You can just take your Apple Pay or your card and scan at the scanner. It will deduct from your account, and it's very cheap. It's just almost $1 or $2 your Australian dollars. That's it. So guys, we got the ferry. It will take 15 to 20 minutes. We're gonna reach to where?
Paramount Bay.
Paramount Bay.
Guys, my Instagram is Khalid. Please follow me.
So Paramount Bay से we'll go walking, which will take how much
Or
time?
like around 20 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes.
20 to 30 minutes maybe. Yeah.
And we'll go see what's there because we need to go to Victoria
What Victoria?
Victoria Building.
Yeah, better. So guys, हम पहुंच गए हैं Paramount Bay. Almost 20-25 minutes. So we are walking through the streets. यहाँ से almost 10-15 minutes walk, and then we're gonna reach to the Darling Harbour. So guys, we are at the Darling Harbour. It is Sydney's one of the most vibrant water fun spot. But if you're planning to come over here, do come in the evening because you will get amazing sunset reflection and beautiful sightseeing. However, I didn't have much time, so I came during day two, so just to show you guys. Just grab something with your loved one and have an amazing view. So guys, हमारा next stop होगा Westfield Tower. यहाँ से almost 10 to 12 minutes का walk है, and वहाँ आके I'm gonna show how beautiful it is. The architecture over the Australia is so immaculate. It's so beautiful. So guys, welcome to Westfield Tower. It is the tallest tower in Australia. Almost stands for almost 309 meters tall. यहाँ से आप पूरा सिटी देख सकते हैं। एलिवेटर लेके आप ऊपर जा सकते हैं और पूरा सिटी यू कैन लुक फ्रॉम देयर। Stand at the center of the city. So we are on our way to the ticket counter. सबसे पहला तो हम लोग गए level 5, then we went to level 6, then we came to the level 7. It's difficult to find the lobby. I still don't know where exactly the lobby is. So we gonna ask someone. देखते कौन बता सकता है lobby कहाँ है. So somehow on level 5 we found the Sydney Eye Tower, the reception, and it's $40 Australian per person. On level 5. So guys, we are in the super fast lift. It almost takes 5 to 7 minutes to go upstairs, around 309 meters up. We are still in the lift and it's been 3 to 4 minutes now. लिफ्ट तो बहुत फास्ट था, ऑब्जर्वेटेड ट्रैक इससे भी ब्यूटीफुल है। यहाँ का सीन और भी प्यारा है। You can have a scenic view of the Opera House. You can also see the Darling Harbour, and soon I'm going to show you the Harbour Bridge. And there is the Harbour Bridge. It's a 309 meters tall. Let's see how it looks from top. That's freaking.
You saw it? You see my man? You wanna catch him?
Just 2 minutes of walk and we'll reach to Queen Victoria building. It feels like shopping inside a heritage palace. I'll just show you something inside. So basically guys, ये एक कासल था और कासल को इन्होंने एक शॉपिंग मॉल बना दिया है, like all the huge brands. Basically the shopping like here it was almost for everything for women. Males के लिए इतना कुछ खास मुझे देखा नहीं. So शायद यहाँ से शॉपिंग नहीं हो पाएगा. So देखते यहाँ से बाहर जाकर क्या लेते हैं. So guys, हम यहाँ पे आज 2 दिन के लिए थे. फर्स्ट डे तो सोने में चला गया because it was raining, and second day we tried to capture all the beautiful and iconic places. So we started from the Opera House, then we went to the Darling Harbour, then Westfield Tower, then Queen Victoria building, and I believe it's almost a beautiful gems. For one day it was a lot, but if you guys are planning for a vacation, you can wait, spend some more time and then go. If you have any queries, any questions, or want to ask anything, do not forget to comment below. So guys, it's time to say goodbye to Sydney. Yeah, बहुत प्यारी जगह थी, बहुत मज़ा आया, and I love to gonna come back again and again over here. और हाँ, don't forget to like and subscribe.